here we are. Back again. I got Roxy and Moxie here with me. I've got Simon and Martha. We're hanging out. We're going to do a little unboxing here. This one came all the way from Air Canada. This is from, I'm going to definitely put up the link, not a link, shout out, I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. This is from Fuggler Adventures from my friend Stephanie. She lives in Canada. Oh, Canada. Just got this in today. It takes a long time to get things from Canada. Right? Right, Pepe? All right. Let's open this up. All right. Oh, hi, Tiny. Oh, we really taped this up. All right. Let's get the ones up here. Oh, get your face out of the way. I don't want to cut you, buddy. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, there's even two in the front. Okay. Put the knife behind me. All right. Beagles are always in the videos. Let's see what we got today. Oh, get off. Get off. Oh, my goodness. They're going to put their boogers all over everything. Get your boogers off. All right, guys. Ooh, get it. It's not dog treats. Come on. Come on. Off, 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 off. It's not dog treats. We have coffee at the Beagles. They say thank you, even though they can't have coffee. Yukon and Penny. All right, good boy. Get down. I'm very excited. The funny thing is I just said that I ran out of coffee today. All right. So now I got coffee for tomorrow morning. Very exciting. And Air Canada. More exciting. This is the Chase Fuggler. I know quite a few people are looking for. All right. Beagles. So guys. Oh, I'm gonna have to refilm this whole thing. Stop. All right. Let's get him out of there. Oh, there was a note. I did see a note. Read before letting Maple out. Get your boogers off. Hi, Melissa. I have sent over Maple to you. I have come across at a bus station. He is a cousin to Benny and Nightmare. She has her own YouTube too. You guys got to check her out. We're at Fuggler Adventures. I have tried to turn him around. I stepped on things and I've fallen since bringing Maple home. I even caught him trying to open my gerbil's cage. That's not good. Trying to catch gerbils? That's a nightmare. All I can say is good luck with Maple. From Stephanie at Fuggler Adventures. Very nice. That's awesome. We're excited to have him into our family. We're quite used to shenanigans over here nowadays. He's so super cute. Let's get him out of there. Oh. Our second golden button. And his name is Maple because he's Canadian, of course. So I thought a nice Canadian name for him would be Maple. He's got a very Skeletor face about him, though. He's super cute. He looks a little angry. You know what? They made the Chase ones have the burlap fabric, which I really like because I feel like it holds up better than the felt. Which is funny because, like, if they were a Chase and special and people would buy them and put them on a shelf and be gentle to them. But the other guys, like, run around and do stuff and you would take them places and stuff. But they get all messed up because they're felt. I hope that they do make more Fugglers with the burlap. They're a little bit more easy to come by. Now, all we need is the black fox. Keeping my eye out for him. I'm not going to spend an arm and a leg. I'm sure that he'll turn up one way or another. Cross my fingers. You know? Alright, you hang out by the kids here for a second. Little feller. Got his little certificate in there. Ta-ta. Thank you very much, Stephanie. I really do appreciate it. I'm excited. I'm excited for Maple's adventures. I can't wait for him to finally meet Fang. Let's see here. Oh, we've got, from Cherry. Look, Simon, it's from Cherry. That is beautiful. Cherry drew us a beautiful picture of Simon in his laboratory. And that's exactly what he would want, is a nice little laboratory to be doing his experiments in right now. Might help him de-stress from the stress of his sister Lilith. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So this here says to Roxy and Moxie. You guys, I don't know if I've got the camera set right, but I've got Roxy and Moxie right by me. And it's from Nightmare and Casper. Let's see here. Oh, I can't get away today from these dogs. Let's see. Oh, so pretty. Get off, you guys. Oh my goodness. So cute. Look at these bows. And now you can. Now the girls can match, or they can wear two of their own. Very, very nice. All right, come here, Roxy. Hang on, Moxie. You're all tipsy today. What were you having? Were you into my wine today? They probably do. Oh, adorable. Adorbs. If I can find where. Did you steal a bow already? So shiny and pretty. All right. Roxy and Moxie. It's the Roxy and Moxie show. Da, 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 da. Look at those bows. That's great. That's very jazzy and shiny. The girls say thank you. Good job. And the last part of my unboxing was Martha's bow. That was from Buzzard. So precious, so cute. Okay, guys, so here's little Maple looking so angry and mischievous. And Martha with her brand new bow. So cute. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching.